everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and revolutionary technologies of our time, generative AI. You've probably heard about it in the passing, but do you know that it's already transforming industries and changing the way businesses operate? Whether it's generating artwork, writing content, or improving how companies interact with customers, generative AI is a game changer. So let's explore how it's shaping the future of business. Alright, first, let's break down what generative AI actually is. Essentially, it's a form of artificial intelligence that can create new content based on data it's been trained on. This can be anything from writing text to generating images, composing music, or even designing products. For example, ChatGPT can write essays on code, while tools like DALL-E can generate images from just a description. These systems use complex algorithms called neural networks that mimic how the human brain works, but on a much faster and broader scale. So how is this affecting industries? Let's start with manufacturing. Generative AI is helping engineers and designers create more efficient, optimized products. For example, in automotive and aerospace industry, AI can generate multiple design prototypes in a fraction of the time it would take humans to generate the same. These designs are often lighter, stronger, or more cost-effective, giving businesses a competitive edge. Now let's talk about healthcare, which is perhaps one of the most important aspects to deal with. AI is already being used to analyze medical data to assist in diagnosing diseases, personalizing treatment plans, and even accelerating drug discovery. Imagine an AI system capable of analyzing thousands of medical images in seconds, helping doctors detect issues faster and with greater accuracy. That's happening today. Creative industries are also being transformed. From graphic design to video editing and scriptwriting and music composition, AI is being used to enhance creativity and productivity. For example, AI can be used by filmmakers today to generate realistic visuals and even experiment with AI-written storylines. It's changing the way the content's produced, making it faster and more accessible. Now let's zoom in on the business benefits. One of the biggest advantages is efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks like customer service through chatbots and generate reports or analyze massive amounts of data. This frees up employees to focus on more strategic and creative work. For businesses, this means saving both time and money. It also improves productivity while reducing operational costs. Another benefit is personalization. Companies like Netflix, Amazon, and Spotify are using AI to analyze customer data and offer personalized recommendations, whether a movie suggestion or a product that fits your needs perfectly. This level of personalization helps businesses engage with customers more effectively and increases sales. But it's not just about cutting costs or increasing engagement. Generative AI is also driving innovation. Businesses can use AI to explore new designs, test new things and new ideas, and even predict future trends. For example, companies in retail can forecast demand patterns or customer preferences, allowing them to better manage inventory and reduce waste. However, as exciting as all of it sounds, there are important challenges and ethical considerations. One major concern is job displacement. As AI systems have become more capable, certain jobs may be automated, especially in areas like data entry, content creation, or even customer service. This actually raises questions about how we manage the workforce and ensure the people aren't left behind. Another big issue is bias. AI models are trained on large datasets, and if those datasets contain biases, AI will likely reproduce or even amplify them. There can be mistakes on part of AI, and these can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes, especially in sensitive areas like hiring, lending, or law enforcement. Companies need to be mindful of this and work on creating AI systems that are as fair and unbiased as possible. And then there's a question of ownership. When AI generates content, whether it's a piece of artwork or a report or even a new product design, who owns it? Is it the AI, the company that developed the AI, or the individual who provided the input? These legal and ethical questions are still being debated. Right, so what's next? The future of generative AI in business is incredibly bright. We're expecting to see deeper integration of AI into business operations, from automating more complex tasks, using AI for decision making and strategy development. Everywhere there's AI. But it's more important that we strike a balance. We must give AI credits for its strengths, but still recognizing the value of human creativity, empathy, emotions, and judgment is what we need at this moment. We're just at the beginning of this journey, and it's going to be fascinating to see where it takes us. That's it for today, guys. Hope you have found this breakdown of generative AI and its impact on industries and business insightful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content about how tech is shaping the world. And drop a comment below, how do you think AI will change the future of work and business? Let me know your thoughts, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.